Why is this important? That right there had seen numerous weddings before Hurricane Helene. That's right. Lake Lure was a mecca for weddings before that hurricane. Sometimes as many as 3 weddings a day. And a lot of honeymoons and a lot of other weddings, etc., happened right over here at Lake Lure. Lake Lure is very historic because of the numerous U.S. presidents who have stayed there, as well as the celebrities who have been there. So now there's a little more trivia for you as to why this place is so very important. It is an absolute haven for people to get married. What a heck of a background you'd have for your wedding. Imagine this place in the summer and what it would look like. They've got a lot of work done over there. They've got a lot more to do. You can see from here. That's trees and wood of all kinds up there in that pile right there. They've got a lot of work to do. And one thing has already been debunked. We took a tour just days ago of Chimney Rock. In that tour, the tour guide said that before Hurricane Helene, the deepest part of Lake Lure was approximately 60 feet deep, 60 to 80 feet deep at its deepest part. But because of all the silt, dirt, mud, whatever you want to call it, now supposedly the deepest part of Lake Lure is only 25 feet deep. That lets you know how much mud and other things have went into this lake. That'll give you something to dwell on. And this is what you have to think about also. That debris, all them houses and etc., did not just come from Chimney Rock. It came from miles up into these mountains, miles and miles up in these mountains here. You have to figure there's other towns up through here. There's other cities up through here. So you have numerous flash floods, but it all came down that valley and it all came into that river, and then all of it came down into this lake. Rock on.